And here's Litecoin. So I made a mistake here, clearly. It was late last night. I need to move some of these rungs below. So that is clearly something that I want to just address right now quickly. If and at the same time, couple have been filled. Which is perfectly fine. But let's look at this from a different perspective. Even though I misplaced just visually the higher rungs, let's say I was a single transaction person and I bought everything last night at 42.06. Okay. Right now, at current prices, being below that, I wouldn't be in a good mood. I'd feel a little bit of a twist going on, and that would be buyer's remorse, and that's not good. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to reposition my ladders a little lower based on the support resistances, just like I did last night. And I will modify these after I first place the new ladders. Seems like I missed this one. $31.85. So I'm going to see a support, little support there. $29.86. $21.21. And this is what I called cutting it in half. If I see a channel, I will take the top and bottom of that and I will cut the channel in half. 25.70. Because at times turns occur within that half point. I'm going to get rid of this one as an extremity. $16.55. Imagine the gnashing of teeth that will occur for people who bought in a single transaction, let's say at 42.06, when it keeps falling, if it does keep falling. Meanwhile, someone like us who have these bilateral rungs to keep us calm, in fact, even maybe overjoyed to see lower prices because you're thinking, oh, great, I can get better and lower prices for Litecoin. Yes. Believe me, that kind of thinking is not weird. It's actually very, very healthy, psychologically and emotionally. Okay. I'm going to make this an extremity. Make that an extremity. That as well. Actually, no. See how I cut this in half as well? I will get rid of that for now. No, I'm sorry, that was the filled one. My mistake, sorry. The number's on the left. Get this one. This one. Okay. That should do it. Bear in mind, a lot of customizations can be done to your own needs, to your own personality style. Compared to a single transaction buying everything in one fell swoop, even 2, 3, 4 rungs are better than just one. And if you only want to have 3 or 4 rungs, I would usually place those below your price levels. By having all of these available, you have a good wide range encompassment. So you should be fine. Frankly, I'd be surprised if prices go lower to this area, but I have been surprised in my past. And you might say, well, hedging in the event it just crashes, what would you do? Well, there are a few things that I can do. I can get stopped out. Okay. Once I see prices just, if you look at just cliff-like prices, let's say an SEC comes out and illegalizes cryptocurrencies, all these news are coming out, and everything is getting really terrible and crashes to, let's say, single digits. There's not much you can do if that happens in just an hour or so, or just instantaneously. One thing I will not do is panic. That will cause rash decisions. Quite often those kind of situations are more controlled. Slowly grinds down lower and lower. Okay? Then what I would do is I would take these top rung funds and move it lower. That's another thing that I've often done. But is it common so that it goes below my lowest rung? No. It's quite uncommon for me because my encompassment is broad and wide enough. Okay? So I will post this as the new ladder rung for Litecoin. And here is the wall of fills. For now. Let's see if I can get additional ones filled. Okay? If you have any questions or comments, please do post. Have a good day.